Let's learn how to enable double tap to turn on, turn off screen option. When we enable this double tap mode, it is very easy to use on mobile. Let's learn how to enable this feature. Go to mobile settings, scroll down and go to advanced features option. Go to motions and gestures option. In here you can turn on double tap to screen option and you can turn on double tap to screen off option. Now let's try this feature. Okay, when I double tap to my home screen, my lock key screen going to off, and after when I double tap to my lock key screen, it is turned on like this. In this method you can enable this double tap to turn on off feature.